If you're a penny pincher with a wanderlust itch, then you need to hear about these wallet-friendly Asian destinations. Picture this. You're walking through bustling street markets, sampling exotic foods, and soaking up rich cultures, all without breaking the bank. Welcome to the most affordable Asian destinations of 2024. First stop, India. Where else can you ride an elephant for less than the cost of a movie ticket back home? Next, Cambodia. Think ancient temples and unbeatable street food that'll cost you less than a cup of coffee. And let's not forget about Indonesia. With beaches that rival any Instagram influencer's feed, you'll get the tropical paradise without the price tag. But here's the kicker. It's not just about finding cheap flights. Staying flexible with your travel dates, diving into the local cuisine instead of fancy restaurants, and using platforms like Kiwi.com to snag those deals can make your money stretch even further. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your camera, and prepare to explore Asia without draining your savings. Remember, the best adventures often come with a smaller price tag.